Hi, and welcome back. We are going to be discussing Raceways, the general section, in 12-900. Please open up your code book to page 139. We'll go over some of the general raceway conditions. So first of all, raceway rules 12-902 to 12-944 apply to raceways and to insulated conductors and bare conductors run in a raceway. So you can read 902 on your own. And let's see. You can read, for example, okay, we'll read 12-904, conductors in a raceway. See Appendix B. Where conductors are placed in metal raceways, all insulated conductors of the circuit shall be contained in the same raceway or in the same channel of a multiple channel raceway. And then it gives you a few exceptions. You can read the rest of that. Protection of insulated conductors at ends of raceway. Very important things to remember here. Bushings or equivalent means shall be used to protect insulated conductors from abrasion where they issue from raceways. So you may read that and say, what exactly are they talking about? So once again, you have to protect the insulated conductors from being damaged or skinned. And where they say the word where they issue, that means where they exit. So for example, where the conductors exit this conduit right here, you have to protect them from abrasions. Now, this is a trick. The next subrule is a trick. Subrule 2, where insulated conductors are number 8 AWG or larger, copper or aluminum, such protection shall be protected, or sorry, shall consist of. And the trick there is, they like to trick you on the wording of that number 8. So the little trick is, where the conductor is larger than number 10, i.e. number 8, you must provide some form of protection right here at that connector. And what does that consist of? Well, sorry, this is the smallest one I could find, but a bushing, a plastic bushing. Obviously, this nipple will have something larger than a number 8 conductor, but that's providing mechanical protection where they issue from a raceway. Subrule A, an insulated type bushing unless the equipment is equipped with a hub having a smoothly rounded throat. Subrule B, insulated material fastened securely in place that will separate the insulated conductor from the raceway fitting. So I know in some cases, if you're running armored cable or flex, the fitting that you actually purchase will actually have a smooth rounded throat. That will suffice in accordance with Subrule A. Inserting conductors, insulated conductors in raceways, 12-908. Cleaning agents or lubricants of an electrical conducting nature or that might have deleterious effect on insulated conductor coverings shall not be used when inserting insulated conductors in raceways. How many of you have used pulling lubricant to pull, for example, wires through or conductors through a raceway? Gets pretty tough, right? So they do actually make these things called pulling lubricants. You purchase them from the wholesaler, you wipe them on the wire, and it makes pulling the wire through the raceway way easier. So, but whatever you get, make sure it does not have any damaging properties that will damage the insulation on the conductors. So No oils, no greases, no lubricants, just whatever you purchase from the wholesaler. Usually it's poly water or yellow 77. All right, subrule 2. Lubricants used when inserting insulated conductors in raceways shall be either insulated conductor pulling compound, talc, or soapstone. So that's the only types that you're allowed to use. Next, really important rule, we're going to delve more into this when we do conduit fill. Actually, I think we're going to skip 12, 9, 10, and then we're going to come back and do calculations for determining if this raceway right here is actually overloaded with conductors. In the meantime, you tell me.